Guys, I've been trying to freaking get this video on YouTube for a long time now. Freaking, I recorded this already, and iCloud wanna act stupid, like won't let me freaking like download the video. So here y'all go. So I just brushed my eyebrows, right? I haven't like cleaned them up in a while. I brush it into the shape that I want. I lightly tap, and then we notice my little wing right there. Swoosh, swoosh. Then do the other side, brush it up. Then, you know, brush it into the shape that I want. Like, I know somebody asked me to do this video a long time ago, and I was like, yeah, I got y'all, I do it. But I really don't do that much to my eyebrows. Like, I'm thankful. Oh, look at little buddy sleeping. You see him? Right there. He's sleeping. Okay. So then, you get you a brown pencil. Not black. Little dark brown pencil. Don't be walking around with no black eyebrows. Okay? Looking crazy. I normally use the MAC eyebrow pencil. It's the color Spice. But recently I've been using, you know, some little beauty supply makeup stuff. This is Absolute New York brand. I don't know what this is, but can y'all see? God darn it. Okay, there you go. Perfect eyebrow pencil. Doesn't say what color, but whatever, yeah. So it's just a brown pencil. Come on, get back in focus now. And I basically just like outline it first. So I follow the outline of my eyebrow. And I fill it in. See? And then I go back and I just lightly like brush it in. I don't know what to call it, but lightly fill it in. And boom, one eyebrow is done. But then I like take my brush again and just blend it in a little bit, just to get rid of some of that outline that I made. Boom. So outline it. I don't think, well, my eyebrows, they ain't the same shape. One is like higher than the other one, but whatever, it is what it is. See? Then do this little boom. Hopefully y'all can see this, because I know this light in the back is stupid. See? And then we're gonna fill it in. Like that. And then go back with my brush. Now, I only do this next step if I'm like going out somewhere, like, and I want my eyebrows to look like snatched. Otherwise, this is like my everyday eyebrow tutorial. Like, I'll be finished right now. But so I get me some LA Girl Pro Concealer, right? This color is medium beige, and I get me a little flat brush. And I just put it around the outline of my eyebrow, whatever, the perimeter, whatever you want to call it. So, and just to clean it up. And boom. What you looking at, buddy? But yeah. So now I'm just like, I rub it in with my finger, but you can use a blender brush. But you know, just be careful if you're doing it with your finger. Face is like so oily right now. And boom, nice and fleet. This is how I do my eyebrows. Okay, my eyebrows did, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick tutorial. I'm sorry if y'all was expecting me to do more, but this is really all I do to my eyebrows every day, you know. Fleet. Oh, boom boom. All right, let me know what y'all think. Love you guys, y'all the best. Thank y'all for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Like, y'all don't know how much I appreciate you right there watching this video. Okay, bye.